Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Silky the Wilkie, out here, and today, what I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do is tie a do-rag. So, hold up, one. Ooh, this one is nice. Ooh, I like this. This is exotic. Gotta take off the, got a little, can't forget about the yellow. Today, I'm gonna be using a pink one. Yeah, alright, so look. When you put it on your do-rag, you always put the inner seam on the outside. Kinda doesn't make sense now. There's two ways to tie it. How I tie it, you always line up your seam perfectly down the middle. Make sure everything is okay, right? You see? Then you fold it up a little bit, right? You fold it like that. Now, you still make sure everything is down the middle. If it's not down the middle a little, fix it from the back. Now, you should have it like this. You should have the two little arms sticking out. Now, all you do is just wrap them in a circular motion. Fix it as you do it. You don't want to look crazy at the end. And fix the back. Okay. Now you do the other side. Whatever side you started with first, you do the opposite side on the next hand. Fix it up. Now, this part's from the back. Now, you take the back, you knot it. You tie it of your preference. Don't do it too tight because then it will stop circulation to your head. But after you tie it, boom. You have your nice little silky. Now, let me use the red to show y'all real quick. If you don't want to do the first step I did where I flipped it up, hold up. You could just do it like a regular do-rag. Give me 2 seconds so I can unknot this. Let me unknot this, baby.
You making a video?
Yeah. So you just go like this, and the same way that you take the back and you just loop it, instead of this one I didn't fold, if you guys noticed, you just loop it like that, but it makes the band mad thick, which is weird. This one, do it like that, bring it around the middle, loop it. This is a non-folded loop. This is how I used to tie my do-rags till I found another way. And boom, just do it like that, and you get the same end goal. But I like it like this. It's a little bit more fancy. It's down the middle. When you take it off, you see the waves. Thank you.